welcome to Prudent News. We first have a look at the top headlines. State Pollution Control Board refuses to pass judgment on 43 mining leases facing production violation charges. Matter is subjudice. IBM should handle this matter, says board chairman. CM accepts activists' offer to suggest appropriate names for Lokayukta. Iris Rodriguez urges governor to look into the long-pending appointment of Lokayukta. Glenn Ticklow calls Dayanand Narvekar the mastermind behind Portuguese citizenship controversy. Narvekar denies charges. Another petition filed against Ticklow. Farmers of Kurtori are agitated as they are not supplied fertilizers. Alex Reginald threatens to hit the streets if the farmers are not provided fertilizers. And Prayag United shocked Thempo Sports Club with last-minute winner. Carlos Hernandez shines for Kolkata outfit. And now the news in detail. State Pollution Control Board has refused to pass judgment on the cases filed against 43 mining leases by Goa Foundation for violation of production limits. Board is of the opinion that it was inappropriate to pass a judgment as the matter was sub judice. Board had snapped show cause notices to these mining leases accused of exceeding production limits. Board chairman has expressed that Indian Bureau of Mines should handle this issue.
Subsequently, after discussions, the Goa Foundation made us a letter in December saying that we are withdrawing the case because the Supreme Court is seized of the matter. Accordingly, we have taken all this into consideration and we have disposed of the show cause notices today, since the matter is before the Supreme Court of India, and the Honourable Court will take cognizance of the matter. And we have also said that the IBM, the Indian Bureau of Mines, is in a better position to judge whether any mine has exceeded its capacity or not.
CM has accepted offer from activists and has asked them to suggest appropriate names for Lokayukta. CM defended its intent and explained his difficulties in finding proper candidate. Meanwhile, Iris Rodriguez has asked the governor of Goa to intervene in this matter and see immediate appointment of Lokayukta.
हांव खंयच्याय कोर्टाचे सिलेक्ट करूंक शकना. ज्या मनशाक साधारणपणे मराठी कोंकणीचो ज्ञान आसा, हांव ताका कंट्रोल आसा म्हणना, असोच मनीस आसूंक शकता. ताणें येवपाक तयार जावंक जाय. तो समजा आतां दिल्ली रावता, मुंबय रावता, जाल्यार ही हॅज टू वेकेट फ्रॉम देर एंड कम टू गोवा फॉर 3 years. तो अप एंड डावन करूंक शकलो जाल्यार तो न्याय दिवंक शकतो ना लोकायुक्ताक.
पार्टीन जेन्ना म्हटलें की आमकां मेळना तेन्ना ते म्हणपाक आमी सजेस्ट करता, आमी नांवां हाडून
दी मरे दी नांवां घेवपाक तयार आसतलो. जर तो ऑटोमॅटीक अपॉयंट जातलो असो न्हय. कोणा कडेन जर योग्य नांवां दिसता जाल्यार तांच्यानी गव्हर्मेंटाक सजेस्ट करचें. टुडे ऑल्सो दे कॅन सजेस्ट. I have no objection. पण म्हज्या हिशोबान the process by that committee to check up is almost over. They told me that by next week they will give the names to the government. Shortlist करून हांव नको. हांव ती कमिटीक सांगला 5 पर्यंत शक्यतो दिवची, पण ते म्हाका सांगताले की 5 नांवां मेळतची गॅरंटी ना. जुईज सिलेक्ट करपाक इतली घाई कोणाकूय कित्याक लागल्या? बरो जुईज नाका काय? घाईन कोण येता तें नांव एप्रूव करूं?
Advocate Irish Rodriguez says that Chief Minister is deliberately delaying in appointment of Lokayukt under Section 3 of Goa Lokayukt 2011. He has asked the governor to intervene in the matter.
In fact, the government has not written to the Chief Justice of India and to the Chief Justices of the other states, asking them to recommend a name of a Lokayukta. Today the Chief Minister says that he needs a Lokayukta who knows the local language. So how can you find somebody without the Goan connection and somebody who knows the local language? So these are all tactics by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to try and delay the appointment of the Lokayukta. I have also requested the governor that the Chief Minister should keep himself away from the selection of the Lokayukta, because the Chief Minister himself would be investigated for his misdeeds by the Lokayukta.
The governor has approved and notified rules for operation of the Lokayukt in the state. The government has also approved required staff for operation of Lokayukt and also taken in possession the premises at Ribandar for locating the office of the Lokayukt. Mahesh Gadi with Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Aldona MLA Glenn Tiklo has called former MLA Dayanand Narvekar the mastermind behind the Portuguese citizenship controversy. He alleged that Narvekar is inciting people to file a plea against him and cleared that he does not have dual citizenship. Narvekar has denied the charge, stating that he is no longer into politics. Another petition is filed with the governor of Goa challenging MLA-ship of Tiklo.
I am an Indian national. I have an Indian passport. I have not received any notice, nothing of that sort. I was born in Yemen, that is in the Gulf. Aden. My birth register over here in Mapsa municipality. There are some frustrated elements. Election period, they've been routed and they don't know what to do. They are power crazy. They want to be in power. किन्ना अटकते and ताजे काम नो तात कौन तमन so-called Tamil card spokesperson ताजे काम ते ओलो बचे. Let him speak, let him do whatever they have to do.
डायरेक्ट दयानंद नार्वेकर क्या करता वो तुम इस अगले कर पक तुमचे हॉटलाइन तो लागले.
Yeah, very much.
तो जायला डायरेक्ट तुमचेर कंप्लेन घालपाक शकता.
तो केन्ना कोणाची काय डायरेक्ट कंप्लेन करता तो दुयेता न्हू भितरल्यान ओगी विचूक असो तें करता तो मागीर फरक काय म्हणना. Finally, I faith in the judiciary. If the petition reaches the governor, he'll take corrective measures, he'll take correct steps, and I have full confidence in the governor as well as in my judiciary. Kinala to was go to the court and get me disqualified there, no? If you all have substance, go ahead, get it done.
Prudent contacted Dayanand Narvekar for his reaction on Tiklo's allegations. This is what Dayanand Narvekar said. I have retired from active politics. I don't want to react on allegations. Has media noticed any statement from me in public on any issue in recent time?
Got documents of Mr. Glenn Tiklo, who is elected as a MLA of Aldona, and it is mentioned, clearly mentioned, that he is given nationality of Portuguese, that is Lisbon, in 2009. So we decided to file it today, and my advocate has filed it in front of the governor today at 12 o'clock. No, we were not aware of this. Suddenly, after the elections, we came to know that through his friends, that they started telling us, "Arey Baba, who you all elected? He is from outside the country. He has outside nationality."
Under the current law, Tiklo cannot contest. You see, we have got here a certificate from Portugal, which shows that Portuguese nationality has been conferred on him. But as far as this certificate is concerned, there is an endorsement there that Portuguese nationality has been given to him. So why should we question that? See, this document is a valid document.
It's time for a short commercial break. Stay tuned.